Hello everyone, welcome to my channel where I talk about personal finance. Today I'm going to talk about how can I pay off student loans quickly by create a budget and stick to it. Create a budget and stick to it. Track your expenses to keep track of your monthly income and expenses. Create a precise budget. Find places where you can make savings. Then redirect those dollars towards paying down your student loans. Automate payments. Establish automatic loan payments for your education. In addition to guaranteeing that you never miss a payment, this can lower the interest rate on several government loans. Live below your means. Live a more frugal lifestyle by cutting back on discriminatory purchases. This could entail cutting back on eating out, resisting impulsive purchases, and looking for inexpensive entertainment options. Thanks for watching this video and do not forget to subscribe to my channel.